की Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Unong alam ka BJP ubadai pe ya Jala Meghalaya ba ya Jala Nagaland u Anil Antoni ulapan pa ba Sorkar Kmie ka Kmie bha ya baro Khappud balai na kini gini gijung kulmar haba kren chikla pathai kubur hanong ba Shlong u Antoni ulapan pa ma baro artli ki Jala ka Meghalaya ba ka Nagaland ilong ki ba Peitngor bha ban ka Sorkar Kmie ba ka Home Ministry ru gila shem ya ka sienjam ban pintikina ba kandan ka shongsuk shongsan.
So yesterday, two of our senior party leaders had gone to many of the border areas. We are observing, and at this moment there are no unrest. So everything is we are observing. Our government will ensure that our citizen welfare will be taken care of. There is nothing to worry about. All departments are giving statements at regular intervals. Please follow that. Our Home Minister and our Prime Minister has commented on the situation. Please follow it. And they will ensure that citizens' safety in this country will be our top priority. We will ensure that there will be no instability here. We will ensure that all our citizen welfare is taken care of. But I am not the person who is, I am the Prabhari of this group. I am looking at the organizational issues of the Bharatiya Janata Party here. So these questions are not meant to be addressed. So this is not the appropriate occasion to speak about.